Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fenugreek and aloe vera hair growth butter. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so in a previous video I did a fenugreek and aloe vera shampoo, and I'm basically going to be using kind of the leftover ingredients I had from that previous video to make this butter. So in the pot I had boiled some fenugreek powder, and this is what I had left over. And then I had took the aloe vera and the fenugreek paste and I ran it through a blender, and then I had poured it through a sieve. And basically what I've added into the pot is what was left in the sieve after I poured the aloe vera and fenugreek through it. And now I'm just going to take the outer layer of the aloe vera that I had used when I had removed the jelly out of it, and I just cut it into smaller pieces, and I'm just going to add that into the pot as well. So now I'm just going to take 1 cup of olive oil and I'm going to pour that into the pot as well, so I can infuse the olive oil with the fenugreek and aloe vera. I have the stove on medium heat, and I'm just going to let this boil until the water evaporates and I'm just left with oil. I removed the oil from the heat and I allowed it to cool down, and now I'm just going to run the oil through a cheesecloth. So I melted down half a cup of shea butter, which is in the middle bowl, and I'm going to add half a cup of the fenugreek and aloe vera oil also to the bowl, and then I'm going to mix everything together and place it into the refrigerator. So after a couple of hours, I removed the butter from the refrigerator, and I'm using my whisk attachment to my mixer, and I'm just going to whip the butter until I get the consistency that I'm looking for. So you're going to want to use this butter after you apply a leave-in. You can use this butter about 2 to 3 times a week. Also, this butter is great for dry hair, split ends, and it helps prevent breakage. Also, if you suffer from dry scalp, this is also a great butter that will keep your hair moisturized and your scalp moisturized for days at a time. So without a preservative, this butter will last about a month. If you want to use a preservative, it will definitely last longer. I'll leave one down in the description box if you are interested. So with using a preservative, the butter will last about 3 to 6 months. Also make sure that you keep the butter in a cool, dry area. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.